Hello, I'm Jessica with Dave Jones Realty, and welcome to 2 Apple Hill Road in beautiful Wolcott, Connecticut. A perfect blend of charm, space, and privacy. This stunning home sits on a spacious lot in a quiet neighborhood, offering the perfect retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life while keeping you close to local schools, shops, and dining. Let me show you the rest of the home. Step inside, find an inviting living space filled with natural light, bamboo flooring throughout, and a cozy fireplace perfect for New England nights and entertaining. We have a modern kitchen that was just recently updated with brand new appliances and quartz countertops, and a large pantry right off of there. This home has 4 spacious bedrooms with 5 bathrooms. That's 3 full, 2 half baths. This home offers comfort and flexibility for families of all sizes. There also has bonus rooms for either a home gym or an office if you'd like, or a playroom. This home also has a large laundry room and a 3-bay garage on the main level. This has all it needs to fit your lifestyle needs. With new plumbing and electrical throughout the home, along with a new hot water heater, new roof, this home is move-in ready. Welcome to the primary bedroom, which is really the highlight of this home. It has a walk-in closet, a beautiful bay window with lots of natural sunlight, and its own ensuite bathroom. It has a large soaking tub and a walk-in shower with all of the upgraded fixtures. This bedroom here really has everything to offer. Now we step outside to a beautiful, peaceful backyard, perfect for barbecues, relaxing mornings with coffee, or enjoying beauty of the seasons. This yard is lined with trees, so you have plenty of privacy. 2 Apple Hill Road is more than just a house, it's a place you'll want to call home. Schedule your private showing today and come see everything this wonderful property has to offer.